On a quiet village road, forgotten by time and covered in dust, an Audi Q8 from the 1980s sits in silence. Rust eats away at its once majestic body. Grass grows beneath it, as if nature itself has claimed it. But one day, a young man arrives. He doesn't just see a wreck, he sees a story that deserves a second chance. He walks around the car, inspecting every panel, every dent, every crack. He looks inside. Broken seats, torn carpet, mold, and silence. The next day, he returns, not with wealth, but with simple tools and determination. His journey begins by removing each door, one by one, including the heavy trunk lid. Carefully, he frees them from rusted hinges and sets them aside for repair. He steps inside the car, where time had done its worst. The steering wheel is stiff. The dashboard is cracked. The seats are torn. He strips everything out. Carpet, mats, even old wires hanging like vines. Now, he turns to the front, the engine bay. He lifts the hood, revealing layers of dust, leaves, and decay. Piece by piece, he removes the battery, the headlights, the radiator. And then, the heart of it all, the engine. With strength and patience, he lifts it out, loads it onto a simple cart, and rolls it to his workshop. On his workbench, the engine begins to break down, bolt by bolt, gear by gear. He removes the cylinder head, pistons, camshaft, and every vital part that once made it breathe. He cleans what can be saved. He replaces what cannot. He works in silence, letting his hands do the talking. Once every part is cleaned, repaired, or replaced, he begins the reassembly. Armed only with basic tools and mechanical skill, he rebuilds the engine, slowly, patiently, precisely. Until finally, the engine that once gave up, now breathes again. Now, he turns his focus to the body. The doors are rusted. The frame is dented. He cuts out the rotten metal, welds in fresh sheets, grinds it smooth, applies filler to shape perfect lines. Then, he paints a bold deep red, the car's original glory. Spray by spray, the skin of the car comes back to life. Once dry, he begins rebuilding the entire vehicle. Engine reinstalled, doors aligned, windows sealed, mirrors fitted, and lights mounted. Inside, new carpets laid down, the headliner restored, dashboard rebuilt, and seats placed exactly as they were. With every screw tightened, every panel polished, the car is nearly complete. He checks the lights, adjusts the tires, and places the final emblem on the hood. And then, the moment of truth. He turns the key. The engine roars to life. Smooth, powerful, alive. He drives it down the same road where he first found it, but now, it's no longer a wreck. It's a legend reborn, from rust to resurrection, from silence to thunder, from forgotten to unforgettable. This is not just a car. This is the rebirth of the Audi Q8.